In today's video, I'm going to show you how to summarize YouTube videos with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful method if you want to quickly understand a long video, save time, or pull out the key points without watching the entire thing from start to finish. It's especially helpful for students, creators, researchers, and anyone who wants fast, clean information from a YouTube video. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open YouTube and select the video that you want to summarize. This can be any video you're interested in, whether it's a tutorial, a podcast, a review, or an educational lecture. Once the video is open, look at the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the video URL. You can do this by highlighting the full link and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Next, open ChatGPT in a new tab or window. Once ChatGPT loads, click in the message box and paste the YouTube link you copied. After that, type the prompt, "Summarize this video." If you want a more detailed summary, you can also ask for key takeaways, bullet points, or a short version and a long version. Then send the message and let ChatGPT process the request. In many cases, ChatGPT will either summarize the content directly or guide you based on the information available from the link. If needed, you can follow up with a more specific prompt, like summarize the main points in simple language, or give me a concise summary in 5 bullet points. That can help you get exactly the type of summary you need. This is a great workflow because it takes only a minute or two and can save you a huge amount of time compared to watching the full video manually. It's also a smart way to organize notes, research content faster, or review important information before taking action. And that's it. You now know how to summarize YouTube videos with ChatGPT using a very simple copy, paste, and prompt method. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.